Hello guys, we are doing competitive programming here and I welcome you all in my YouTube channel Coding by Fun, and let's start. So in today's question we have to find the common elements between the arrays. So firstly I want to show you the example. Like we have the size of arrays 3, 5 and 8 is the size of 3 arrays. These are the 3 arrays we have, and we have to print the common elements between these 3 arrays. Like 20 is common in first array, second array, also in third array, and 80 is also there in first array, second and also in third array. So we have to print the common elements from all the arrays, right? So can we do with hashing? Yes, we can do with the hashing, and also we can do with the set. Like I will insert all these elements into the set, and all the unique elements will be inserted, and then we can traverse the set and we can check the values. Like if they are equal, then we can print, right? So now we can take input from the user the size of the arrays, and it's like x, y and z are 3 array size. We are taking input from user, and now we have to define this set also. Like we are taking, let's say, long int, and as one we are making 3 sets for 3 arrays, and sorry, it's not by mistake, and may also make the iterator for it. So long int iterator, let's say I, c, k. These are the iterators to traverse the set, right? Now I'm also defining the arrays for int a of size x, array b of size y, and array c of size z. These are the arrays to store the values. Now I am making for loop for taking the inputs from user in all the 3 arrays, and also at the same time inserting the values of the array inside the set also. So h1 dot insert a of I, right? And similarly for the other 2 arrays. So I am just doing the copy paste, and we know we all are good in copy paste, right? So let's do it quickly. Y, it's b, it's s2 here, also b here, it's z, it's c here, and the s3 here, again c, right? So we took the input from user and inserted the values, all values of the arrays inside the set. So only the unique elements will be inserted inside the set, right? So we already make the iterators to iterate the set. So let's give them a beginning. Means I is initially pointing to s1 dot begin, right? Is pointing to beginning, first element of the set, and similarly j is pointing to the beginning of the set s2. Similarly for s3, right? Now we can make a while loop and we can compare the values. Like while will be run up to the end of these iterators. Like I is not equals to s1 dot, and up to that I have to traverse it, and similarly I can make an AND condition. If either of any array will be AND, then we will come out of the loop, right? And j is not equals to s2 dot and similarly k is not equals to s3 dot and, right? And in this loop we will compare the values of this. Like if the value of I is equals to value of j, and similarly we can check if value of j is equals to value of k, then it means we got the element. So we will just see out the element, any element, like you can either say value of I or can say value of j, because all are equal, and you will just give one space, and also you will make a flag element, because if there is no any such type of element, then we have to print -1. So we are printing 1, and initially we can here we can give this variable name flag equals to 0 initially, right? So here we have given. Now we have to increment the traversers I, j, and k, right? So this is if, and otherwise if this condition is not true of the for the if, then we have the other condition, else if the value of I is less than the value of j, then we will only increment the I, because I's value is less. So we are traversing the values of the arrays in such a manner, if the value of I is less than the value of j, then we will traverse only the I part, only the I or the array in which the I is pointing to. We will just increment the I there, and similarly else if value of j, similarly for the j, is less than the value of k, then we will just increment the j part, and else we will increment the k, right? So this is all we have to do in this program. Let's compile it. This is completed. You can do the dry run on your copy pen. Just no, we don't want to see the hints, we just want to compile it. You can do copy work on dry run. You can do dry run. Yes, our output is right, as 20 and 80 here and 20 and 80 here too, right? So let's submit it. We are checking if there is any case we are not passing, then we will improve the code. Yes, there is one error. Let's see it. So its correct output is -1. Yes. So we make the flag of a flag variable for this, and we haven't give the initiation for, like, if flag is still 0, then we will print cout -1, and also we have to end of the line required. Let's do this at the end. We have to end the line, right? Let's compile it now. For that you can submit. Okay, here semicolon, and let's submit. These are the small mistakes that you make while doing coding. And finally our code is accepted. So this is all in this video. We have completed the question. This is generally asked in competitive programming or in other interviews questions of the companies, or you may ask this type of question in interviews also. So thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, you can subscribe the channel and also share with your friends, and also click on the bell icon so that the next video of this type of question will be there on your subscription in your YouTube homepage. So let's finish it. Bye bye, see you.